So hello coders, I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'll be guiding you that if you want to auto feed the contents of a cell, so let me make the cells a little bit smaller so that the shrinked portion of the column, the data which you are going to fill in this column, so it doesn't fit into that column. So if I write here serial number, and beside that I am using the navigation keys, the right navigation keys, the arrow keys, and if I write here full name, so as you can see that the content is getting the serial number, though the content is present within this column, but the data is being hidden because it is not being able to populate the whole of the result since the column is a smaller one. So double click on it. So in this way, if we just go along and just build our Excel sheet in this way and double click and then select the whole sheet, it will take up a lot of time. So I am going to show you an effective way in which you can auto feed the content of the columns using Visual Basic Code. So let me delete whatever thing I had written. So what you need to do is that you need to right click on that particular sheet and go to the view code section, and from there you need to select which sheet you are working upon, this worksheet. So here it will be having columns, and these columns needs to be so it is saying row index, column index. So you can auto feed the row index as well as the column index. So the column index would be from A to maybe G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We are having 7 column datas, so you can make it a smaller one as well, A to A, B, C, D. If you have 4 column data, you can make it from A to D. And what I will be doing is that we will be simply writing auto feed. That's it. So close this dialog box window and close this Visual Basic window as well. Now let me make the columns a little bit smaller and let's see whether it is being able to auto fit or not. So we'll be writing SLNO, then full name, beside it will be giving designation, and then we will be giving place of posting. So as you can see that posting is posting, POSTING, so my bad. So posting, so as you can see that the columns are getting auto fitted, the column data is getting auto fitted according to the width of the column. So that's a effective way in which you can auto feed the column data instead of just selecting the whole of the sheet and doing manually double clicking on this when the cursor changes to a double arrow symbol. Instead of doing that in a long way, you can use this particular Visual Basic Code, which is pretty handy and it's simple to remember. All you need to do is that right click on the sheet and then go to view code section, and in the view code section make a small bit of change. Instead of general, you will be selecting the worksheet, and that worksheet will be having columns, and in which columns you want to auto feed. Within quotation you will be giving the range of that column and then dot auto feed, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and do throw some likes, comments. It will basically boost my motivation to make more of such video and will guide me that I am walking in the right path, and I am being able to help you guys with these problem set scenarios. That's all guys. Happy coding, and see you again for some other video. Office executives, voila, bye.